yan Miss Universe India official party akan Omega.
Like, is it worth it?
Henry Rentley kalom lut tuke. Thank you. Thank you. Thì bắt đầu mình lâu bột nên kita kalau huat. In trong thom bốc sak thim nung zong zong in lom tu ka soi doa. Kalom tak zet zet. Lo ni nya abraw lampang man kalau tum don nya kalom tu. Okay. Ye ihan ka da. Hey Joseph. Joseph and min color sa ko.
They're not very thick, but they want someone who wants
Kasi ihan ganda. Kaya chanchu kabeng niya ka tilang dukot siya. Indian ka. Thank you.
I don't understand. Like, what is your dress size? I'm extra small. Where's my boy?
Yes, kalau tuk milau trong trai pui tu zong zong te min lau vot tu zong zong te. In thei to pa in share te in comment te in like te kalau hua. Ka thin lung zong sakin lom tu so ga dua. Ma se ni som ni pa ni thlen an hong do na chuwang chuan khongai takin min support zel turing kalau som du bok chewa.
No, focus on me. आज के लिए बहुत ही information है. I mean, yeah, I'm not coming for pageants anymore. Like Miss India was in class, choir Miss Universe. But I knew even if I go for Miss Universe or Miss World, just in the same organization. So same.
Thank you, Marilyn. Thank you so much.
Acquire sponsors. Yeah.
Kushi, wanna say hi? So this is Kushi. She's very pretty. Hello everyone. Hi. She's from Delhi. Yeah. She's very pretty. I love her dress. The color of her dress.
I love what you're wearing.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Aksa. She's so wonderful. She has great personality.
Really humble to say that.
Yes, see her face is so beautiful. Beauty inside out.
That means a lot. Hi, beauty one flame. Okay, enjoy your beauty. I'm going to take it easy.
So this is also a very good friend of mine. She's Larissa.
Yeah, we have similar names, like her stage name and my name,
Yeah.
Melissa and Larissa.
Yeah, she's Larissa. I'm Melissa. So
Yeah.
people kind of confused.
Yeah, a lot of times people call me Melissa, so it's like, you know, am I Melissa or Larissa?
She's so kind and humble. I feel so safe with her.
That is so sweet. Bless you. She's such a gem of a person, really. Aww.
Thank you.
So much love. That is so
Thank
sweet.
you. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, Larissa.
Hi. Looking so cute together.
Thank you.
Sure, Daniel with you. Do you want me to call Daniel?
Maybe she's busy.
Yeah, she's busy.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me. Bye bye, guys.
Chavi, can you say like hi? You have many friends from Mizoram. I'm from Mizoram.
Sorry.
So now we have Chavi.
Sorry.
Yeah. Your friends from Mizoram. Your fans from Mizoram.
Hi everyone. How are you?
Miss Universe Chhelo.
Okay, I'll tell you one language. We say Tibay. Means hello. Hello. Yeah. Tibay. Tibay. Yeah. Tibay Mizoram.
Tibay Mizoram.
So sweet.
Oh, I want a video of this.
And she's so sweet.
Thank you so much. want to take a video of that too. Of me. What
by
is,
Mizoram.
so what is your language's actual name?
Party of Mizo.
Mizo language.
Mizo.
Mizo, yeah.
Mizo.
Retired, so we thought to introduce
Okay,
you.
so can you please tell me again? So it's hello, Mizoram. Goodbye,
Mizoram, yeah. By Mizoram.
How do you say I love you?
Kamangay.
Oh God. Okay,
How's
hello.
I is ka.
Ka.
Love is mangay. And
Ranchi,
se means I
all
love
the best. How's it going? It's going really
Ka.
weird.
Ka.
Hectic,
Ka.
Ka.
Mangay. Se.
Ka. Mangay.
Ka. Mangay. Se.
Ka. Mangay. Sa. Is that right?
Yes. Kamangay se Mizoram.
Ka. Mangay. Sa. Mizoram.
Yeah, here one. Kamangay se Mizoram.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Yeah, your headpiece is very pretty.
So you are the best.
Aww. That's so adorable.
Chavi, my love, so they say we have lots of fun from my state, so we
Thank you so much. Thank you so
She's
much.
doing so great here.
I'm Sachi.
She's rocking the Miss Universe. Yeah.
She's a little kiddo.
Alright, I will like to I love you guys. Ka magay sa. Ka magay sa.
Oh, kap mga itse.
Ka magay sa. Ka magay sa.
Yeah, so proud of you. Thank you, Arun underscore W.
That's so sweet.
Hi,
Oh,
Revan.
she's so sweet, Chavi.
So looking so pretty. Can't wait for the final competition with your family today. Oh, you met them.
So nice.
So sweet. I think they went shopping or something.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And that's so sweet.
Because it's not a charge.
Angel, she's my former roomie. She's so
Love you, Arun. She's
Asa. She's such a sweet and kind
How's your
person.
competition going? Really?
I'm so glad that I got to meet her.
Malayalam Paragachi.
And she has the best energy.
Chor kachi.
We love you guys.
That was good.
What does that mean?
So just
Hey, right?
Chore.
Next is
Okay, guys, saying it here.
Bye-bye.
See you guys soon. Good night,
I
guys.
love you too. I love you
Show
too.
you.
You can actually make video on that.
Okay, now I think we're going, so yeah. Bye.